back to another video. And today I am finally back after a long time. Well, I'm so sorry. It's been a long time to publish my new YouTube video. It was just because my computer ran into a problem, so we had to fix it. But anyway, it's now much better and it's all working good. So anyway, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make parts with gradients just like this. So, and some kind of this thing is perfect for either realistic games or even low poly games. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Okay, so here's like a building I just built a while ago. It's not finished yet, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you like how to make some kind of gradients just like this in a part. So firstly, just add in a part, any kind of part you want. For me, I'm just gonna add in something like that. Then just customize it however you want. Make sure this is in this kind of color or any other color you want. Then just name your part whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it color part. Just name it whatever you want, and just click the plus and add in a surface GUI. Okay, so once you've added your first surface GUI, just click the plus and add in a frame. And if it's actually not in your face you want, just go to face and then just select any face you see. But I'm just gonna keep it back at front because it was already like this. Then go to frame, then select any color you want with your part. Just select any color you want. So I'm just gonna make mine blue, and to make the frame fill the entire part, all I need to do is just go to the properties, go to size, and type in 1,0,1,0. So it'll fill the entire part. Okay, so once you've done the size, now just click the plus on the frame and just add in a UI gradient. And then just click UI gradient and make sure you click those dots here, not the color. Just make sure you click those three dots here. Make sure you click that, and make sure the color is not white. So just click and select any color you want. It's gonna make it blue again. I'm just gonna make it a bit darker. So once you're done, just click the X. It won't erase what you did. And then this is something like for how you want the gradient to look like. So I'm just going to keep mine like that. And once you're done, just click the X button or close. And if the parts you see, it doesn't look like in the correct position like this, there's actually a way. So make sure you're on the part. Just go to rotate. Then just rotate the part to any size you think. And you can do it something like that, and that is it for how to make a part with gradient. So I'm now just gonna add in like a part so you'll see how it looks exactly without gradients. So I'm just gonna go here and make sure that's the GUI, and as we put it here, the bottom just looks the same. I mean, which is here just looks exactly the same as here, but the top it just looks perfectly with like a gradient. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please like and subscribe for more videos just like this, so you learn more tutorials and become a pro in Roblox Studio. Well, see you in the next one. Bye.